The Flipkart Axis Bank credit card remains popular, but has recently undergone major devaluation. It now offers 5% cashback on Flipkart and Cleartrip and 7.5% on Myntra, but each is capped at Rs 4,000 per quarter. Earlier, the cashback was unlimited. Users still earn 4% unlimited cashback on Swiggy, Uber, PVR, and Cult Fit, and 1% unlimited cashback on other spends. However, no cashback is provided on categories like utilities, telecom, rent, wallet loads, government services, education, insurance, or gold. The card's joining and annual fee is Rs 500 plus GST, Rs 590, but it's often offered free for the first year. The annual fee is waived on spends above Rs 3.5 lakhs. It also offers Rs 250 Flipkart voucher on first use and Swiggy discount up to Rs 100 with a coupon. Other charges include 3.5% forex markup, 2.5% or Rs 500 cash withdrawal fee, and late fees up to Rs 1,200. The card supports 1% fuel surcharge waiver, Rs 400 cap month, and offers Wednesday deals on flights, Swiggy, Amazon Fresh, and Tata Neo. Final verdict. Despite reduced cashback, the Flipkart Access card still provides solid value, especially for regular Flipkart Myntra users. With a Rs 590 fee and up to Rs 16,000 a year cashback, it's worth considering. For unlimited 5% cashback, however, the SBI cashback card is a stronger alternative. But do your own research in a good way. Thank you.